Wanna sound like a real teen in English? Let's shadow their break time talk and speak more naturally. First, listen to the full conversation, then shadow it, one sentence at a time. Let's jump in and hear how they talk.
What's up, Liam? You look kinda zoned out.
Yeah, that math quiz was rough. My brain's totally fried.
Rough one, huh? Didn't go well?
Not really. I kept putting off studying. My fault, honestly.
Classic you. Always waiting until the night before.
I know. I've gotta break that habit.
Want to shoot some hoops? Moving around helps me reset.
Yeah, let's hit the court.
I'll stay here a bit. My legs are sore from PE.
Okay, we'll be back soon.
You guys look like you're having fun.
Yeah, just moving a little makes me feel better.
Liam made a great shot too.
Haha, I've been practicing a bit at home.
See? Small efforts really count.
Same with studying. A little each day goes a long way.
Yeah, I'll try a better routine next time.
We're all learning. That's part of it.
Bell's about to ring. Ready to head back?
Yep, let's make the rest of today a good one.
Now let's dive into the shadowing practice. What's up, Liam? You look kinda zoned out. What's up, Liam? You look kinda zoned out. Yeah, that math quiz was rough. My brain's totally fried. Yeah, that math quiz was rough. My brain's totally fried. Rough one, huh? Didn't go well? Rough one, huh? Didn't go well? Not really. I kept putting off studying. My fault, honestly. Not really. I kept putting off studying. My fault, honestly. Classic you. Always waiting until the night before. Classic you. Always waiting until the night before. I know. I've gotta break that habit. I know. I've gotta break that habit. Want to shoot some hoops? Moving around helps me reset. Want to shoot some hoops? Moving around helps me reset. Yeah, let's hit the court. Yeah, let's hit the court. I'll stay here a bit. My legs are sore from PE. I'll stay here a bit. My legs are sore from PE. Okay, we'll be back soon. Okay, we'll be back soon. You guys look like you're having fun. You guys look like you're having fun. Yeah, just moving a little makes me feel better. Yeah, just moving a little makes me feel better. Liam made a great shot too. Liam made a great shot too. Haha, I've been practicing a bit at home. Haha, I've been practicing a bit at home. See? Small efforts really count. See? Small efforts really count. Same with studying. A little each day goes a long way. Same with studying. A little each day goes a long way. Yeah, I'll try a better routine next time. Yeah, I'll try a better routine next time. We're all learning. That's part of it. We're all learning. That's part of it. Bell's about to ring. Ready to head back? Bell's about to ring. Ready to head back? Yup. Let's make the rest of today a good one. Yup. Let's make the rest of today a good one. Shadowing's done. But don't go yet. There's something important right after this. Now let's take a quick look at some key phrases from today's shadowing practice. What's up is a casual greeting often used in everyday conversations, especially among teenagers and young adults. It is not a formal expression. It literally means, what is happening or what are you doing? But most of the time, people don't expect a detailed answer. It's just a friendly way to say hello or how are you? You can reply with, not much, just chilling, hey, or even ask back, what's up with you? Zone out is an informal phrasal verb commonly used in everyday English, especially among teenagers and young adults. It means to stop paying attention or to mentally disconnect from what is happening at the moment. This often occurs when a person is bored, tired, distracted, or deep in thought. During this time, the person may appear to be staring into space or not listening, even though physically present. My brain's totally fried is an informal expression often used in casual conversations, especially among students, office workers, and young people. It means the speaker feels mentally exhausted, unable to think clearly, or overloaded with information. This feeling usually comes after long hours of studying, working, or dealing with something stressful or confusing. Fried here is a metaphor, like a brain that has been overheated or overworked, similar to how food is fried in oil until it's cooked through. This phrase is slang, not a literal description. Put off is a phrasal verb that means to delay something or to decide to do it later instead of now. In the example, put off studying, it means choosing not to study at the moment and planning to do it at a later time. This often happens when someone feels lazy, tired, or doesn't feel like doing it now. Common in everyday conversation, especially when talking about procrastination. Classic you is an informal expression used in casual conversations, especially among friends. It is often said when someone does something that is very typical of their usual behavior, whether in a funny, annoying, or predictable way. Gotta is an informal contraction of got to, which is often used instead of have to in casual spoken English. It means that something is necessary or needs to be done. This form is extremely common in everyday conversations, especially among young people or in fast, relaxed speech. Shoot some hoops is an informal idiom that means to play basketball, usually in a casual, relaxed way, not in a serious or professional game. It often refers to just throwing the basketball into the hoop for fun, either alone or with friends. Small efforts really count is a motivational phrase. It means that even small actions or steps can make a big difference or have real value over time. That's it for today's shadowing practice. We also went over some key phrases from the message. You did great. Remember, small efforts really count. Catch you next time.